What's up guys, I'm randomfrankp, and today I got a pretty cool one because IKEA and ASUS ROG just released their own lineup of gaming hardware and furniture. Did you know about this? That means now you can go to IKEA and fully pick up all the stuff you're gonna need to complete your gaming setup. So I wanted to share an overview of all these new products today. They sent it all out for me. So more so an overview of these new releases. And man, it's definitely exciting to see IKEA team up with a gaming company like ASUS and the Republic of Gamers product line, you know them as ROG, to create these gaming, hardware and furniture and accessories without breaking the bank, obviously. This just launched in all IKEA stores globally, including here in the US. You can check out your local IKEA store or on the website to learn more about when the range is arriving to your location so you can go and pick it up. But first up, let's check out their Matchspell gaming chair. IKEA sells other office chairs and stuff, but now obviously with this gaming lineup, we have a brand new release. And visually, it's black and red to fit with the ROG aesthetic. So I did see they also sell this in white as well, which looks really clean and still gonna also fit in with that whole gamer aesthetic vibe. On here, you've obviously got the full height adjustment. There's a lever underneath, so depending on your height or the height of your desk, you can adjust accordingly. You have about 5 inches of height here, so you can set it to. Armrests, they can also be adjusted in height to reduce strain on your arms or shoulders when you're playing. Plus, you can move the armrests forward and backward as well. Then up top for the headrests, that can be tilted up and down just for that extra added neck support. But most importantly, the chair is comfortable. There's ample cushioning underneath. The headrests in the back are mesh, so it'll kind of form to your back naturally when you lay back. And mesh is also obviously breathable as well, so you won't get that heat sort of trapped up over long gaming sessions. In terms of construction, the frame is made of a carbon fiber steel frame, so it's gonna be nice and solid but light at the same time. And the frame also naturally contributes to being a lumbar support, which is something I always look for in a chair. And the chair is on those caster wheels, so you can move around, roll in and out, and grab a drink if you need it. So the Matchspell gaming chair, again, either in this black with red accent or a white color option, definitely a nice addition to their lineup and one of the more important parts of a setup. But speaking of which, probably the most important aspect of building your desk setup is obviously the desk. And here we have the Utzbare gaming desk. I apologize if I'm butchering these names, but I'll tell you right now, this is one of the more impressive desks, all in all, that I've owned. And yeah, it sounds cheesy, but you can tell this was designed with gaming in mind with how it's made. First, the desktop is nearly 64 inches wide and 31.5 inches in depth. So you're gonna have plenty of room here. And this is notable because most desks out there, you take a look at one of the more common ones, they're usually around like 48 inches wide, sometimes like 24 to 26 inches in depth. Yeah, there's some 60-inch wide desks out there too, but with this, you get that extra space both in width and in depth. And with the size, this is also going to lead into your overall vision for how you want to design your desktop, because the way this gaming desk is made, you can actually position the tabletop in 2 different ways. So you'll see when I'm sitting here, the front is contoured, but when building it, you can turn it around so the contour is inward for routing cables. And speaking of which, another killer feature here is the metal mesh backside of the desk. So in this space, you can use like cable ties or straps to route cables underneath, but also in between the desk and the metal mesh is an additional mesh fabric that hooks up. And again, down here, you can store power bricks, other cables, USB docks, all things integrated here to prevent just that cable spaghetti lying down on the floor. And the fact that we have both the mesh components built in is awesome. Will definitely improve your cable management and just how clean your desk is gonna look. Another feature to the Utzbare is the height adjustment. So when building it, the legs can be manually adjusted in 6 different heights from 27 inches to 30 inches tall. So again, depending on your height and what's most comfortable to you and your setup, you can actually adjust the desk itself with that in mind, knowing that at any time, you still have 3 inches of vertical flexibility. Now with it being such a large space, it's a deep desk, you have room for your arms when you're gaming to fidget around and get comfortable, get up and close in the heat of the moment when you're gaming, or just kick back and ease the eyes a bit. I'm just really digging what they did here with the gaming desk. Tons of different configurations that you can set it to match your overall setup the best, whether it's the height adjustment, the different, different contours you can have either inside or outside, built-in cable management, all nice matte black. It's very impressive, big and wide enough for tons of comfortability while you're gaming, enough space on the desk. And if you want to have your PC on the actual desktop itself, you can, still plenty of room, but they actually have a solution for that, which we'll talk about in a minute. Now, next to the desk mounted on the wall is their Utzbare glass door cabinet. And this is cool to have for things on display or to store things here. Say you have a bunch of collectibles or figures, maybe even like your physical game collection. I've got some lenses in here. You can keep it all protected from getting dusty. The glass panel slides side to side. The glass shelves inside can also be removed if you have a larger item, but I like how it's designed similar to their Scottish pegboards. You pretty much have the metal version of this built in the back, so if you want to do things like mount cables, pictures, anything like you would on a pegboard already, you can still do it here on the back. Something you can also do is add LEDs if you want. They sell their own RGB LEDs. There's even a cutout lip on the bottom for routing the cable if you need to, just to add more visual flair to the cabinet. Definitely think this is a really nice piece. Moving right along is their Utzbare drawer unit on casters. And this guy is a tank, let me tell you. So obviously, right by your side of your desk, you're gonna need some sort of drawer unit, right? With this, you can load it up with tons of gear, whether you're storing stuff up top. There's a hook included as well, so you can hold like cables or a headset here. The top drawers for smaller things. I don't know, maybe throw in like, snacks inside, more cables, dongles, desk things, Then the bottom drawer is larger for storing yet more and more stuff that you don't want actually around the room or on your desk. Then what's cool is on the back side, there's additional compartments. So depending on really what you're storing in here, you can have like a power brick out the back if you want, say like a laptop, you can store books here, whatever you can think of. Then if you don't want it actually next to your desk, if you want to free up some space, you can always just, store it under the desk, slide it under there since it is on those casters. Next up, since we're gonna be bouncing around a bit, we have the chair, the desk, the shelf, the drawer. So what about your PC? And as you've seen, you can easily keep the PC on your desk, like I said, but if you're trying to have the most desk space possible, they make a CPU stand with casters. This is so you can keep the PC on your floor, but not have to worry about it getting, clogged up with dust. The stand is a powder-coated metal, so it's nice and durable. It's adjustable in width as well to fit the size of your tower, so it's able to be 9.5 inches wide or expands to over 13 inches wide. And again, with those casters, you can position it wherever you want. Say if you have like an HTPC, move it around the living room, all that stuff. While we have the bulk of the setup construction out of the way, now we can move back to some of the things you may have spotted on the desktop that IKEA and ROG also made. This is all to complete your desk setup. Underneath my mouse and keyboard is their Utzbare mouse pad. It's a nice extended size, feels nice and smooth to the touch, and I'm digging that subtle geometric design it has to it. In the corner is an interesting one, and that's this ring lamp and phone holder. This 2-in-1 can be great for streamers or just making mobile content. So you have the ring light on this flexible gooseneck, so you can position it or angle it however you want. Then that ring light itself is gonna give off that nice flattering reflection in your eye and also soften shadows on your face. And with the phone mount, here, also on a gooseneck, you can mount your phone vertically or horizontally, and now you can stream video right from here or shoot video with your phone and the ring light. The light itself is USB powered, so you can just plug it right into your PC, and it's an LED light, so it's not gonna get hot or anything. And the color temperature of the light can also be adjusted from a cool to a warmer light, as well as dim, so it's not as bright. Some other products we now have are this mouse bungee. So if you're not using a wireless mouse, you still, have a wired one. With here, you can use it to route your cable through. This is to prevent any, snag or resistance to your mouse that would, interrupt your gameplay. But it's nicely made. You have the metal spring here, nice and flexible. And underneath, so it doesn't slide around or damage your desktop, there's a metal base so it won't move around, obviously. And these little rubber pads, so again, it's not scratching or moving. Then something I think is a cool accent piece is this wooden articulating hand. And this could be used for like holding your headphones, maybe to free up some desktop space, maybe even use it as like a phone holder or a tablet holder. But definitely a cool little piece for sure. If you get a headshot in game, give it a high five. So all in all, I'm just really impressed because again, a company like IKEA teaming up with a gaming company like ASUS and the Republic of Gamers product line, it's great to see this collaboration giving gamers more accessible hardware, furniture, and just accessories to complete your setup without breaking the bank. So all great stuff. Now you have no excuse not to have a really cool gaming setup with still some money in your pockets. If you want to check any of it out, I have it listed for you in the description down below. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up to show your support. Feel free to follow me on Twitter at randomfrankp. And last, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good day.